Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cover screen is not responding in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your screen isn't responding or isn't responding, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make a force restart here. In order to make a force restart, you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time for almost 15 seconds here. So let's try this. I'm gonna try. Just press and hold the volume down and your power button at the same time for almost 15 seconds. Now in 15 seconds, the very first you'll see a black screen here. Once you see the black screen, just wait for here Samsung logo. Once you see the Samsung logo, just leave the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. Now it will make a forced restart with your phone, which might take more time than usual. You have to wait for almost 15 to 20 seconds until your phone restarts, and once it's restarted, you have to check if it's fixed your issue or not. So once your phone has been restarted, you have to wait for a few seconds, and it might take 10 to 15 seconds or almost 5 seconds to refresh. You are unable to use your phone, and once you see this interface, you just have to unlock your phone and check if your issue is fixed or not. You are able to use the screen or your touch sensor or not. If your phone was fallen, so you can try to check for your physical screen or your touch sensor if it's damaged or not, because sometimes it might be that once your phone has been fallen, your touch sensor or your screen has been broken or damaged. So I recommend you have to check for that. But before you check for damaged or broken screen, I also recommend you have to make almost three force restart your phone, because sometimes it might be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by fixing or by making a force restart. So just try almost three times to make a force restart. It will help you to fix out your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.